Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on perimeter. This lesson will look at the perimeter of closed plane shapes that are made up of straight lines. The perimeter of such a shape is found by adding up all the individual lengths that make up the closed shape. Let's look at some examples. Find the perimeter for each of the following closed shapes. For example 1, we have a triangle here, and you can see it's closed. It's not open anywhere. So if you were in here, if that was an animal, say, and this was a pen or a yard, it's completely closed and the animal can't get out. Now it's a right angle triangle because of that symbol there, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be a right angle triangle. It can be just a normal triangle. So for this particular example, the perimeter is 3 centimetres plus 4 centimetres plus 5 centimetres, which is 12 centimetres. So you just add up the three lengths. The next example is an interesting one. You see all these little symbols here on the corners. That tells you that each of those angles is a right angle. It also tells you that the opposite sides are equal. Now that is a rectangle. So if we have 9 centimetres here, that means we have 9 centimetres there. If that's 5 centimetres, then that's 5 centimetres here. That's what those little marks here tell us. That line is the same length as this one, and this line is the same length as that one. So the perimeter will be 2 times the length plus 2 times the width, because there's a 9 here and a 9 there, and that's the length, 2 times the length, and the same with the width. So that'll be 2 times 9 centimetres plus 2 times 5 centimetres. 18 centimetres plus 10 centimetres is 28 centimetres. So the distance all around that figure is 28 centimetres, and that's the perimeter. The next example is similar to the previous one, except that each of these marks here tell us that the 4 sides are equal. Since we have all right angles, that's definitely a square. So if we have S equals 7 centimetres, which means the side equals 7 centimetres, that's all we need, because if it's a square, then all the other sides are equal. So the perimeter will be 4 times S, which is 4 times 7 centimetres, and that gives us 28 centimetres. Number 4, again we have a closed shape, and here we have 5 sides. The perimeter of the above polygon is found by adding up the lengths of the 5 sides. It is a pentagon. Because it has 5 sides, it is a pentagon. Now it's not a regular pentagon, because the lengths of the sides and all the angles are not equal, but it is a pentagon because it has 5 sides. So the perimeter will be the addition of those 5 lengths, which represent the lengths up here. 3 plus 7 is 10, that's 15, 19, 24. So the perimeter is 24 centimetres. So this video has introduced the idea of perimeter, where we find the total distance around a closed shape, where the closed shape is made up of straight lines, and all you do is add all the individual lengths together to obtain the perimeter.